In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a custom crosshair on PS5 Fortnite. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, all you have to do to turn on or off crosshair elements by doing the following. Click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select settings, which is the gear icon. Then select game UI on the top of the screen. And then under reticle and damage feedback, toggle the reticle option on or off, then click on apply. And if you want to have the Fortnite crosshair on your PS5, you should have a gaming monitor with built-in crosshair. As you can see on this Reddit, someone is asking the same question, and the result is to have a gaming monitor with built-in crosshairs. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.